Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the EVS topic, lesson number 5, our clothes. You all wear clothes, right? So, today our topic is nothing but our clothes. See here, now our body is very important to us. Okay, now we have to protect us. Okay, we have to protect our body from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. Clothes make us look smart and tidy. We wear different kinds of clothes depending upon the place where we live in and the work we do and the season. Now next is the types of clothing. There are three main seasons in India: summer, winter and rainy season. We wear different types of clothes according to that season. Let us see the first one, that is in summer. In summer, what kind of clothes we wear? Let us see. We wear cotton clothes in summer. They absorb sweat and keep us cool. Cotton comes from the cotton plants. See here in the picture, cotton plants are given. And again the cotton frock, t-shirt, skirt, shorts and shirt is given. If we live in a hot place, we wear cotton clothes to keep us cool. Now let us come to next type of season, that is in winter. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Okay, they keeps us warm and protect us from cold. In winter season, winter season is the cold season. We have to wear such type of clothes that make our body warm. So we wear the woolen clothes in winter season, and this wool we get from the sheep. Example of woolen clothes is sweater, gloves, cap and muffler. Camel and rabbit hair is also used to make the warm clothes. Okay, now let us come to the third season, that is the rainy season. We use raincoat, gum boots and umbrella in the rainy season. This protects us from rain. These things are usually made up of plastic and rubber. Now next is the silk clothes. Silk clothes are shiny in appearance. We get silk from the silkworm. Silk is made up of from silk fiber, which is produced by the silkworms. Silkworms are the particular type of worm. They produce the silk fiber, and from that silk fiber we get silk. Now next is the leather clothes. From where this leather clothes we get from? We get from this leather clothes from some skin of some animals like snake, buffaloes and camels. It is called as the leather. Example: belt, jacket, shoes, sandal. Now next is the costume. People living in different parts of our country wear the different types of clothes. A particular types of dress is called a costume. Here I would like to explain, in India there are different states and they have the particular dress for that state. For example, in picture it is given for Punjabi couple, Tamil couple and Bengali couple. They belong to that particular state. People living in different countries of the world also wear different kinds of dresses. Some people wear special clothes according to the jobs they do. This is known as the uniform. Children also wear uniforms when they go to school. Here in the picture, example is given of uniform, that is soldier. It also has the particular dress. In court, lawyer is there, they also have the particular dress. In hotel, chef is there, they also have the particular their dress. And student is also have their uniforms, that is the their particular dress. as we wear these clothes, we should take the proper care of these clothes. Always wear the clean and well ironed clothes. Do not spill anything on them and keep your clothes at proper place. Now let us see in brief what we have learned in this lesson. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust and insect bites. Okay. Now second point is we wear cotton clothes in summer because it absorbs sweat and keeps us cool. Woolen clothes in winter because it keeps us warm. In winter there is a cold, so it keeps us warm. People living in different places wear different clothes called costume. We wear raincoats and gum boots on rainy days. We also use an umbrella. Children wear uniforms of the school. Clothes are made of cotton, wool, rubber, plastic or silk. Okay. Now hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.